Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up webhook alerts in TradingView. Now, if you're also using TradingView and creating some alerts in your TradingView account and want to get a webhook response for those alerts, then this video is going to help you a lot. Now to get started, here first we are on our TradingView account and you have to open the stock or the index on which you want to set up the webhook alert. Let's take an example of this Nifty 50 index. Now after coming here, first we have to open the full chart of the stock or the index on which we want to create the alert. Then after that, what we are going to do, we'll just go to the right side of this alert section and click on this create alert button. And then we have to enter the conditions for this alert, that for what conditions we are setting up this alert in TradingView. So we have the condition of Nifty regular trading hours over here instead of volume. Then I'm setting the condition as crossing over here. So if you want, from this drop down, you can see a list of different options and conditions which you can set up alert for: crossing up, crossing down, greater than, less than, and a lot more. So I'm selecting crossing over here. Then it is asking us for the price. So in the drop down, we have two options: price and volume. I want to set up the alert on the basis of price. And then here we have to enter the price for which we want to set the alert for. So we are going to update the price in a couple of minutes after creating this alert completely. Then it is asking us for the trigger, that whether we want to get this alert only once or every time this condition is fulfilled. Now, if you want to get only once, select it. But if you want that whenever this particular price is crossed by Nifty 50, in that case, every time you want to get the alert, select every time over here. So I'm going to select every time. Then after that, it is asking us for the expiration, that when you want this alert to be expired. Let's say I want to select the expiration date as 19th of April and the time as, for example, 4 p.m. over here. You can select any date of expiration of this alert as per your choice. Then it is asking us for the alert name. Let's say I want to name it as Nifty 50 Webhook. You can basically give any other name to this alert as per your choice. At last, it is asking us for the message, that what is the alert message we want to receive when this condition is fulfilled. Now here in the message section, if you want, you can set up a static message or a dynamic message as well. So let's say I want my message to be Nifty 50 is crossing, and then here I want to mention the price for which I want to set up the alert. And the current price is, and here in this message after this, I want to mention what is the current price over here. Now, as I told you, you can basically create a static message or a dynamic message as well. And in the dynamic message, if you want, you can add some kind of variables or placeholders too. Now, what are the variables and placeholders you can add? How you will know it? So here below this message field, you can see this question mark. Just click on it, and on the right side, you can see this tab will open in front of us. And here on this section, you will get a list of all the variables which are offered by TradingView. So here, as you will scroll down, you can see a list of all the variables which you can add in your message. And these are dynamic variables, means the value or the text in place of these variables will be keep on changing as per the current condition. So I wanted my message to be Nifty 50 is crossing 22,132.85 and the current price is, and I want to add the current price over here, the close price, the close candle price. So here we have the variable of close. So I'll just enter this variable over here. And after that, I want my message to be, and the volume is, and here I want to mention the current volume over here. So if you will scroll down to this section over here, you will get a list of all the variables, and you can get the variable of volume too. So here at the top, you can see this is the example that how you can create a message, and this is the variable of volume. So I'll add the volume over here. Let's say this is the kind of message I want to add. Nifty 50 is crossing this price, and the current price is this close price. We are going to mention whatever the close price will be having, and the volume is over here. Then here you can see on the right side, we have a list of different options. We have the ticker, exchange, close, open, high, low, and all of these variables. We have the variable for time. So if you want to add the time over here, you can do that too. Also, we have the variable for the plots over here. We have interval. We have variable for the currency as well, and also for the strategy which you are creating. So you can just refer to this section to learn more about what are the variables you can add in the message. Right now, I'm just using these two variables of close price and volume. So here we have created the alert over here. Now here in this alert itself, we also want to add the webhook URL because we want to get the webhook response for this alert. To add the webhook URL, just go to this notification section and select this option of webhook URL. And here in this field, we have to enter the exact same webhook URL which Pabbly Connect gave us. So here in my Pabbly Connect account, I have created this automation workflow where in the trigger step, I have selected TradingView as a trigger application and new alert as a trigger event. After selecting this, Pabbly Connect gave us a webhook URL. Now I want to receive a webhook response in Pabbly Connect. That's why I'll just copy the webhook URL from here and paste the webhook URL in this field in TradingView. After pasting the webhook URL and setting up our alert, just click on this create button. And just now you can see we have created an alert in our TradingView account. And the alert which we have created is for 22,132 over here for crossing of this particular price point. Now what we have to do, we just have to wait for Nifty 50 to cross this particular price. But here you can see right now Nifty 50 is trading at 22,109. So what I'm going to do, I'll just update the price in this alert. I'll just update the alert price as, for example, 22,111. And I'll just update the same price in the message section as well. So we are just updating this alert for a better result, for a quick result over here. So that's why we are entering this price. And then I'll just click on save. Now, after updating the price, here you can see we have created this alert. And now as Nifty 50 will cross this price, we will get the alert over here. And yes, here you can see just now Nifty 50 has crossed this price for which we have created the alert, and we have received this alert over here in TradingView. After getting the alert, because we have added a webhook URL as well, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, we have received the response. And in this response, you will see the exact same alert message which we have created. Nifty 50 is crossing this particular mark for which we have created the alert, and the current price is, and this is the current price. After crossing this mark, Nifty 50 had this particular price, and this is the volume at which it is trading at. So you can see the same message which we have added with variables, which we have created with variables in TradingView, we have received the exact same message. In this way, you can add any variable and create any alert message of your choice in TradingView, and under notification section, you can add the webhook URL. And whenever you are going to get this alert in TradingView, the response of the alert will also be received inside our Pabbly Connect workflow. Basically, we'll get the webhook response. Now you will see that here in the response which we have received a single response of message. But let's say you want to get different fields, different key value pairs for different data. Like you want to get a different response of volume, a different response of price, or a different response of time, and all of that. Now what you can do in this message section itself, you can also create a JSON body too, and you will get the response in JSON format inside Pabbly Connect as well. First, we'll just click on this recapture webhook response button, and after that, it will change to waiting for webhook response. And here it has changed. Now we'll get back to our TradingView account, and here in the message section, we are going to create a JSON body for the message. So the JSON body starts with a single curly brace, and after that, in double quotes, we have to write the label over here. Let's say I'll write the label as price, and after a colon, again in double quotes, we have to enter the variable. So let me enter the variable of the price over here. So the variable of price was this close, which we are adding. So I'll just enter this variable in double curly braces. Now after this, what we want to do, we want to add some other details. So I'll just add a comma after that. In the next time, in double quotes, once again, I want to enter the volume. So I'll just enter volume over here. And after colon in double quotes, we are going to enter the variable of the volume. So here we have the variable of volume. Let's enter it. Then let's add a comma. Then let's say I want to mention the exchange as well. So I'll just enter exchange label over here. Then after a colon, we are basically going to write the variable over here, variable of exchange in double quotes. So this is the variable of exchange. I'll just copy it and enter it over here. At last, let's say I also want to mention the ticker over here. So what we are going to do, just add a comma, in double quotes, write the ticker, or should I say stock name or index name. Index name. And then after a colon, I'm going to mention the variable over here, the variable for ticker. So in this way, what you have to do, you just have to create a JSON body of key value pairs. You just have to enter the key on the left side in double quotes, and after a colon, enter the value on the right side. Now, not just variable, if you want, you can enter some message as well. Let's see. I'll just create a message over here, colon, and whatever message you want, you can basically enter that message over here. So the message which I want to send as, for example, Nifty 50 is crossing, and then I want to mention the crossing price over here. Let's say the crossing price for which we are creating this alert is at this. So I'll just enter this price over here. And after creating your JSON body, just close this curly brace over here. We have opened the curly brace at the start. We will just close this curly brace. In this way, you can just create a JSON body for the message as well. So after creating this JSON body, what we have to do, we will just click on this save button. And as we click on save here, you can see the alert message is updated. And this time we have basically added a JSON body. So right now you can see the Nifty 50 has trading as 22,092 over here. So what I'm going to do, I'll just update the alert to get the response quickly. I'll just update the alert as 22,093 over here. And after that, I'll update the same in the message as well. And click on save. So just now we have updated the alert in our TradingView account for the price. We have updated the alert price in our TradingView account. And now we will get the response over here. So just now you can see Nifty 50 has crossed the alert price which we have set. And you can see we have received the alert in our TradingView account. Now we'll get back to our Pabbly Connect workflow, and yes, here you can see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in the triggers tab, we have received the response. And this time you can see because we have created the JSON body in the alert message, we have received different responses for different values. We have the volume over here as a separate response. We have the price as a separate response, the current price. We have the message as a separate response, the same message which we have added over here in the JSON body. Here you can see the different response of index name and the different response for exchange as well. So in this way, you can add Webhook URL, Webhook alerts in your TradingView account. And if you want, you can get the Webhook response for the alerts which you are creating in TradingView as well. So this was a short video on how you can set up Webhook alerts in your TradingView account. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.